Here's how to share a document on SharePoint. I'm using the web version. First, go to the document library where the file you want to share is stored. This is on your SharePoint site in the main content area. You'll see either a list view or a grid view showing all your files and folders in that library. Next, select the document you want to share by clicking the circle icon next to its name. If you're using list view, you'll find the circle on the left side of the item. If you're using tiles view, it's in the top right corner of the tile. Once you click it, a green check mark appears on the document, showing it's selected. Now, at the top of the page on the command bar, click the Share button. This opens the Share dialog box. In the Share dialog that opens, you'll see a field at the top labeled Name, Group, or Email. Click in that field and start typing the name or email address of the person you want to share the document with. SharePoint will suggest names from your organization as you type. You can add multiple people by entering additional names or email addresses. Just repeat this for everyone you want to share with. If you want to control what level of access they have, click the pencil icon that's to the right of the email field. This opens a permission dropdown with options like Can Edit, Can View, or Can't Download. The default is usually set to Can Edit, but you can change it here depending on what you want them to be able to do with the document. Below the recipient field, there's a message box where you can optionally add a message. This is completely optional, but it can be useful for giving context about why you're sharing the document or what you need from them. Finally, once you've added recipients, set your permissions, and added any message you want, click the Send button at the bottom of the Share dialog. The dialog will close, and SharePoint will send an email notification to all the recipients you added, letting them know the document has been shared with them. Quick note, SharePoint doesn't let you share multiple items at the same time. If you need to share several documents with someone, add them to a folder first, then share that folder instead. If you ever need to change who has access or modify their permissions, just select the document again and click Share. At the bottom of the Share dialog, you'll see a Shared With list showing profile photos of everyone who currently has access. You can click on those to manage their permissions or remove their access entirely. And that's how to share a document on SharePoint. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.